Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Credit One Bank mobile app review to see it worth using. The Credit One Bank mobile app is a free tool designed to help card holders manage their credit card account conveniently, available on both iOS and Android platform. The app offers features such as viewing balance, making payment, accessing statement, and monitoring credit score. It also supports biometric login options like Touch ID and fingerprint recognition for added security. User can set automatic play, receive transaction alert, and manage rewards directly through the app. Additionally, the app integrates with digital wallet like Apple Pay and Apple Wallet for seamless transaction. The Credit One mobile app provides essential features for managing your credit card account on the go, while it offers a convenience and a security user experience. Some users appreciate its functionalities and ease of use, especially those rebuilding their credit. However, others have reported issues such as unexpected fee and customer service challenges. So if you are considering using the app, it's advisable to monitor your account regularly and be aware of the potential fee. And that's it.